Hi Ray, just a couple of quick things with the latest change that you've done. I'll just refresh the page and I'll talk you through it in a second as it loads. There's two things that just to tie up once it loads. The map, I apologise, I am probably being a little bit fussy, but the map of Australia is just a little bit too high. If it could potentially come down just a tiny bit so that it looks more in the centre of the top and the bottom, such as there, I'd be happy with that. I wouldn't have briefed that in, I probably might have left it, but there's one other issue. If I zoom in on the marker and then zoom back out again, oops, sorry, wrong one. I'll have to zoom out twice now. Bear with me. So once and twice. When it zooms back out, the map is quite low, not where it was when I first refreshed the page. So if that could be looked at as well. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.